everyone is so interested in jewelry. Too many cigarettes. Here I am at the Victoria Park. Let's go see what beautiful lanterns they have inside. It appears to be inside the football grounds. We have a thing in a wheelchair. Is it a penguin? Bird? I'm not sure. Playing table tennis? On guard, eh? Beach volleyball! There's bowling over there. We've got more things on the football ground. Is it a bird? I don't know. Is it an Olympic mascot? LED water makes it look good.
Lanterns hanging low, a gentle glow. They whisper tales the moonlight knows. Paper dragons dance in the skies.
There's so much space. I can still play football.
Secrets as they rise.
There seems to be not as many lanterns as there used to be.
Footsteps echo softly where dreams collide. Come with me into a world of imagination where lanterns form a constellation. Come with me, feel the magic sweet vibration. A moonlit dream is our destination.
It's okay. A little bit underwhelming for the heart of the city. I'll post some pictures of the one I've been to before in Hong Kong.
Lights twinkle like stars so bright, reflected in the pools of midnight. The breeze carries stories